Do you know how to sort data based on one or more column values in SQL? SQL is a relational database where data is stored in tables in rows and columns format. While retrieving data from the table, one of the most common operation is to sort the retrieved data based on some column value. To achieve this, we use order by statement in SQL. Order by statement is generally used after select statement to sort the retrieved data. By default, order by keyword sorts the record in ascending order. However, we can define the order of retrieved data using ascending and descending keywords. Now let's understand syntax of order by statement in SQL. First comes select statement, which is also used to retrieve the data. Then order by keyword followed by name of a column, which is used to sort the data. And finally the order of sorting, which can be ascending or descending. If we want to sort on multiple columns, we can mention the column names and their sorting order separated by commas. But how does sorting works on multiple columns? For example, while retrieving data from our friends table, if we mention the two columns, which is first name and last name in order by statement, then SQL will first sort the data based on first name, and if two rows have the same first name value, then sorting of these two rows will be decided based on a last name, which is mentioned in the second position of order by statement. That's it for today's video. Follow my channel for more such videos.